Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 18a, in which we will take review of makharij of letters. What is Tajweed? To recite the Quran nicely. How? By taking care of makharij and sifat of letters and other rules of recitation. What is a makhraj? Is the place where the sound of the letter comes out from. It is the articulation point of the letter. The plural of makhraj is makharij. And remember the TPI signs for 4 sifat or attributes: low sounding letters, or thick like ra, or thick and high like qa, kha, gha, and very thick and high which is sa, da, ta, dha. Right? Can you repeat these 3 sets? Well, thick is ra. Can you say it? Ra with actions. Okay? And then thick and high. Repeat after me 3 times. Qa, gha, kha. Qa, gha, kha. Again. Qa, gha, kha. Again. Qa, gha, kha. And very thick and high. Sa, da, ta, dha. Sa, da, ta, dha. Again. Sa, da, ta, dha. Again. Sa, da, ta, dha. And the remaining letters are thin. So let us learn all of these using this letter poem, which is very important, and we are learning this with fatha. So can you say it with me or sing with me? Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many. 12 from the tip. Ta, the, dha. Ta, da, ta. Za, sa, sa. La, na, ra. From its middle are ja, sha, ya. From its edges are da, ka, qa. 6 from the throat: a, ha, a, ha, gha, kha. And from the cavity, mouth cavity, alif. There are 10 important features of this poem. You have the whole set of letters on your fingertips in makhraj order, okay, from the lips to the throat, and in makhraj groups like tha, da, va, ta, da, ta. And groups of rhyming letters, tha, da, va, ta, da, ta. So there is rhyming also there with actions, sifat actions that relate to sifat. They're not meaningless actions, and they are repeated with different harakat and rules, as you will see. And Tajweed rules will make sense, and it is easy to explain and understand the sifat. Last point is, don't mix the makharij, and we have identified 6 themes. First one is very important: za, the, dha, and da. Can you repeat? Za, the, dha, and da. So, dha and da are very thick. Similarly, tha, sa, sa. Tha, sa, sa. And ta and ta. Ta, ta. And we have ka, qa, kha. Ka, qa, kha. A, and ha, ha. Ha, ha. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.